Yunojuno is an online platform that connects freelance professionals, particularly those in the creative and marketing industries, with businesses seeking their expertise. By joining Yunojuno, you can create a profile, showcase your skills, and find freelance opportunities to make money. Here's a step-by-step guide to get started with Yunojuno in 2024. Research and understand Yunojuno. Start by visiting the Yunojuno website, www.yunojuno.com, and familiarize yourself with their services, industries they cater to, and the process of finding freelance work. Create an account. Sign up for a Yunojuno account by providing your basic information and creating a strong password. Verify your email address to activate your account. Complete your profile. Fill out your profile with accurate and detailed information about your skills, experience, and achievements. This will help potential clients find and hire you. Upload a professional photo, write a compelling bio, and add any relevant certifications or awards. Set your rates and availability. Determine your hourly or project-based rates and specify your availability. This will help clients understand your pricing and when you're available to work. Be sure to research industry standards to ensure your rates are competitive. Build your portfolio, showcase your previous work and projects to demonstrate your skills and expertise. Include descriptions, images, and links to your work, if possible. Apply for jobs, search for relevant job opportunities on the Yunojuno platform, and apply to the ones that match your skills and experience. Tailor your application to each job posting, highlighting how your skills and experience make you the ideal candidate. But communicate with clients. Once you receive a response from a client, communicate professionally and promptly to discuss project details, expectations, and your availability. Negotiate terms and rates. If necessary, negotiate the terms and rates with the client to reach an agreement that's suitable for both parties. Accept or decline projects. After discussing the project details, decide whether to accept or decline the opportunity. If you accept, confirm the agreement with the client. Complete projects and receive feedback. Work diligently on the project, keeping the client informed about your progress. Once completed, request feedback from the client to improve your profile and increase your chances of getting more opportunities. Get paid. Yunojuno handles the payment process, ensuring you receive your earnings promptly. Be sure to track your income and taxes accordingly. Network and build your reputation. Engage with the Yunojuno community, participate in events, and seek recommendations from satisfied clients to build your reputation and expand your network. By following these steps, you can make the most of Yunojuno and build a successful freelance career in the creative and marketing industries.